So you've got an overripe banana on your counter and you're this close to chucking it out, but wait, that is your secret weapon to make homemade banana swirl ice cream. So in this video, we're gonna show you how to make a banana cinnamon swirl from just things that you own. It's fast, it's cozy, and it tastes like banana bread in a bowl. Got one overripe banana on your counter? Good. Here's how to fix that. Mash your banana well, then stir in 3/4 cup of any milk, whole oat almond, all worked fine, 1 tablespoon brown sugar or white if that's all you've got, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, a splash of vanilla if you have it. Pour it into your creamy container and freeze overnight. This is the banana cinnamon swirl. We use ChatGPT to make the recipe, so let's see how it turns out. When it's spun, it turns into soft, scoopable ice cream that tastes like banana bread filling. It's creamy, naturally sweet, and tastes like banana bread in ice cream form. So if you've got a sad banana lying around, don't throw it out. Turn it into dessert. And if you want something totally different, check out the coffee one next. It's like an iced latte, but scoopable.